I love Christmas. And this recipe is part of a collab of Christmas morning dishes. I'm going to show you how to make something called a Chunky Monkey Oatmeal Bake. Grab a bowl. Start with 3 ripe bananas. Mash them up. 2 eggs. Teaspoon of vanilla. A 15-ounce can of light coconut milk. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Whisk that until well combined. 2 1/4 cup of oats. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix that until all combined. Now I'm adding my favorite mix-ins. 1/2 cup of coconut flakes, unsweetened, and some dark chocolate chips. I'll do like 1/3 cup. Fold those in. Pour that into a greased 9x9. Then I'll sprinkle some more coconut and chocolate chips on the top. I'm going to bake this at 350 for about 40 minutes until the edges are golden brown. There it is. Now you let it sit for 10 minutes. I'll add a few more banana pieces on the top. Chunky Monkey Oatmeal Bake. Absolutely divine. Loving that chocolate and banana. I want to wake up to this on Christmas. To see more Christmas morning treats, make sure you check the playlist in my description. This is a part of a monthly collab that I've done every month this year. Thank you, I'm Merely Melissa and Christy's Farmhouse for hosting these fabulous collabs. How do you wash your hands during the holidays? With sanitizer.